Hello, creative souls. Welcome to our channel. Today's exercise is all about creative freedom. We're going to step away from realism and dive into a magical forest full of color. All the materials and colors I'm using are listed in the video description. The trees don't have to be perfect. They are organic shapes, some pointier, others more rounded. So let's let our imaginations run wild and get started. We'll be using the wet on wet technique. Let's dampen the brush and create something that looks like a giant upside down teardrop. This will be the first tree canopy of our forest. Load your brush with your color of choice, I'm using vermilion here, and apply it to the edges of the giant water drop. One quick note, I made a mistake and taped the paper to the table, but for this fluid art style, we should leave the paper loose. Once the pigment is on the paper, let's tilt it from side to side so the pigment flows and fills the wet areas. While we wait for this canopy to dry, let's make another one, but this time a round one. We'll wet a circular shape on the paper, away from the first canopy. We'll apply permanent red violet and then move the paper around. If you enjoy today's theme, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's create another canopy, making sure it doesn't touch the previous ones while they're still wet. For this one, I left some dry spots inside the canopy because I want to add branches there later. I used violet and once again moved the paper to let the color flow. To make things easier, we can use a hairdryer to dry the paper before starting the next tree. Now that it's dry, let's create more trees in whatever shapes you can imagine. Here, I've placed a very large round tree between the first two using phthalo blue. Then I made a tiny oval tree using scarlet. I'm going to add a second layer of trees further in the background. I created a pyramidal shape and painted it with yellow ochre. With sap green, we're going to paint a sort of pine tree. Now, using Crimson Lake, let's watercolor a fan-shaped tree. The canopies are ready, so let's move on to the trunks. Using burnt sienna, burnt umber, and sepia, we'll create trunks at the base of each canopy. I teach the technique for this forest and other natural elements in my book, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step by Step. The book is available on Amazon. For Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers, it's available for free. The link to download or purchase is in the video description. Go ahead and grab your copy. With a brush dampened only with water, Alouette the base of the trunks to create the ground, letting the paint flow downward however it wants. Next, using a finer brush, let's create patterns of branches, leaves, spirals, dots, hearts, or any other shape your imagination dreams up inside each canopy. To finish, we can watercolor tiny flowers on the floor of this magical forest. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own watercolor forests. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss our weekly videos. Comment below which of these trees was your favorite. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time, and thanks for watching until the end. Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.